Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get this lime green look. I'm going to be mixing with these two colors right here with a fluffy brush, and the fluffy brush that I'm going to be using is the M441, and I'm going to be blending out the green. I'm just going to keep dipping until I get the desired color that I want, like the pigment, you know what I mean? Now this is like a weird color to play with, but I don't know, when I think of August, I think of this color, of this green color right here. So I don't know what's up with my eye shape, but this needs to go up here. Okay, and then I'm gonna dip in with this color. I'm gonna brighten up with the green from the 25L palette, but I don't want it to be like super bright green. You know what I mean? I'm just mixing in with these two colors. Alright, so we're done with the green. With the flat brush and some concealer. So let it dry. I was about to dip the brush in the thing. Let it dry. I'm gonna be mixing with these two colors right here. Lay down this glitter. I'm gonna pat it in. Okay, so I'm gonna get some concealer. Let's do the other eye. Okay, let's put glitter on the other eye. It's like Tinkerbell colors. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. So on the edge here, I'm gonna add a little tint. Okay, I'm gonna draw on my eyebrows really fast. This is why I love to use the tape, because if I do use eyeliner, it's like a guide for me to make my wing. I mean, sometimes it comes out okay, and then sometimes it comes out okay. But practice makes perfect, and I know I just have to practice applying it. I am not a pro at makeup yet, but I will get there. I'm gonna put on some eyelashes and I'll be right back. We're gonna put some highlight in the inner corner. face. We're gonna highlight our cheekbones. I love this highlighter, it's so good. Down our nose. And then upper lip. And our chin. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. But it came out really good. I'm like looking at it, squinting. But thank you guys so much for watching this little tutorial that I did for you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. You can use the same flat. And I'm using the Hype Real Glow from MAC.